Welcome to the Faculty Development Program on Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are the buzzwords in today's world of technology. This video presents you the various applications in the fields of AI and machine learning in today's world. Google Maps. This is probably the app that we use every time and everywhere we go out. Despite of the usual traffic, you are on the fastest route every time. This is because it uses the database servers that store the historical traffic data and machine learning algorithms to guide you through the traffic every time. Auto tagging in Facebook. There is an automatic friend tagging feature in Facebook. Facebook uses advanced face image recognition systems that use deep learning called as a deep face in order to recognize the faces. It is possible to recognize a face even if it is in a group. This is based on a project called as a deep face. Uber Eats. It asks you your destination and tracks your habits. It also guesses the estimated time of arrival and the delivery. For this, it uses the deep machine learning algorithms. It is one of the personalized applications of the users that uses the features of deep learning and machine learning. App is used by many customers for an accurate delivery of their items. Ads recommendation by Amazon. It gives you the relevancy of the ads whenever we purchase a product as suggested products. For this, the Google tracks our search and browse history and then recommends the ads based upon the user interests. iPhone's facial recognition system. iPhone is a smartphone having the great feature of facial recognition. At the core of the face detection is the use of machine learning algorithms. It is possible to track the face despite of having a makeup with great accuracy. Tesla. A self-driving car. A driverless car. It's driven by focusing mainly upon unsupervised learning feature of artificial intelligence. It automatically drives us to the destination. It allows us to drive the car despite of the driver, and it provides crowdsources of the drivers and vehicles. Netflix recommender system. So it gives us a list of the movies similar to our interest. Nearly more than 75% of the users select their movies based upon the recommendations made by the Netflix. And these recommendations are provided with the help of machine learning algorithms. Molly, the robotic chef. It has the ability to replicate the dish cooked by any master chef in the world. It has a fully automated robotics hand. Google Translator. When we go for reading the local news or local languages, language is usually a barrier. So this uses statistical machine translation and looks for the patterns in the language and provides us the translation in a required language. So whenever we go for new places, we go for using this Google Translator to view the names of the boards or any content. KUKA. It's a comprehensive range of humanoid or industrial robots that uses the data analytics and machine learning methods. And it's one of the advanced technology in AI with machine learning. Finally, there are many AI-based operating systems which are developed for specific applications, and one such is Java. Thank you.